Good morning, sir. This is Jurnal TPT in the name of Athelia Febriana Sringringo
and Wilda Stuti
by title Preservation of Identity and Characteristic of Bangkamala Language.
Okay, I'll get into the abstract. The article describes factors causing the shift in the use of the Bangkamala language, methods of protection, and strategies for protecting the language. The research method used is qualitative, descriptive, and data were collected through interviews and library sources. The study found that there are many factors causing the shift in the use of the Bangka language, but efforts to protect the language have been made by the government and the language community. The study suggests that language preservation can be done through education from an early age to revive read in using the Bangka Malay language before it is influenced by foreign language. The article also mentions that the Bangka Malay language has been influenced by various languages, including Arabic, Urdu, Persian, Chinese, Portuguese, English, and Dutch, due to the region's history as a trading hub. Introduction. Language is a communication tool used by humans. The human ability to create symbols or name things is an ability that is not possessed by animals or plants. Language also functions as a symbol system in the culture of a nation. In addition, language is also used as a means of communication within a community or society, as well as a means of self-expression to express thoughts or feelings. Language is a tool for social integration and adaptation, as well as for social control. Globalization has shifted the culture of the people of the Bangka Belitung Island, and many people use it for culture as prestige, such as in terms of fashion, food, spectacle, and lifestyle. This phenomenon can trigger people to abandon their culture and tradition, including local language. This can diminish the pride in the Bangka Malay language, so that they are reluctant and embrace it to use it. Regarding Bangka Malay, with one of the regional languages in Indonesia. There are several factors that have led to the decline in the use of this language. One of the factors is globalization, which affect the survival and development of language around the world. The advancement of science and technology has also led to the absorption of various elements, including language, which offers the use of Bangka Malay. So far, there are studies of the shift and maintenance of Bangka Malay language in Bangka Belitung Island. Based on this article discusses the factor causing the shift in the usage is Bangka Malay language, effort to maintain the use of Bangka Malay language, and strategies for maintaining Bangka Malay language in Bangka Belitung province. To restore the main function of the Bangka Malay language as a community group identity and as the main of communication in the family environment, and supporting communities support from the government and language owning communities is needed, especially from the community as the next slide. Theoretical framework. Given that the question contains the word standard language, which is usually used in the context of language maintenance. The explanation will confuse language maintenance as a form of cultural maintenance and technique identity. Language maintenance is a deliberate effort to maintain a particular language in a linguistically diverse regions. It aims to maintain ethnic identity and social adaptability. The term language maintenance is used to describe situation where a language speaker or language community continues to use their language in some or all areas of life despite competition. Next, research on language maintenance has been conducted by many researchers before, and some of the are Fishman, 1990, Gall, 1996, Menico and Campos, 2010, Swandi, 2014. For example, Fishman's 1,990 study points to the relationship between the change or stability that occurs in language habits and the going psychological, social, and cultural processes the people of different languages interacts with each other. William 1010 examined language maintenance and bilingual maintenance among Sasak speakers in Lombok. Language score in the family, neighborhood, kinship, and specific dominance as well as data on the per, percentage of Sasak language used as their mother tongue, as well as the stability for community bilingualism, so that the Sasak language in Lombok will survive. The pattern of community bilingualism is still in the stable condition. So that the friends of language still function as they call. The tendency to use Indonesian as a mother tongue in plans of Sasak at home is still tolerable. The use of Sasak language in education also receives support from the government through taking local content in school and is protected by law as a national cultural heritage. Next slide. Rusminto et al. 1021 research on the maintenance of Lampung language in the context of Indonesia showed that the perception of non-Lampung ethnic communities toward negotiating Lampung ethnic identity in the effort to maintain this language is very important. Lampung language is currently not widely used by Lampung people because the family environment no longer continues the active use of Lampung language. So the children's knowledge of Lampung language as a young generation is lacking. Research also showed that the use of Lampung language is disconnected in the older generation, while the younger generation is trying to abandon Lampung language and prefer to use Indonesia. On the other hand, the research also showed that the use of Lampung language is limited to certain contexts, such as the family environment, fellow Lampung activities, and traditional ceremonies. To maintain Lampung language, the research considers that a culture visit upon effort is necessary. This is done by emphasizing a sense of pride and love for Lampung language as a cultural wealth and product of civilization. The research also saw that the preservation of Lampung language is also influenced by the Institute of Language Research. Research on Lampung language preservation has also been conducted to find out the extent of Lampung language institutes and pride among Lampung's younger generation. Research also show that the maintenance of Lampung is done by building a collective memory of their language, its users, and their community. This strengthens the MSL community and relationship with the local deaf community, ASL user community, and non-deaf community. Next slide. Matsumoto and Tokumasu 1022 examined Japanese language preservation have a significant influence on the preservation of spoken Japanese language skill. Other factors cause us interrupted language use in the workplace and contact with relatives and friends and home also contribute to the preservation of Japanese in migrant communities. This study how that the influence of global culture causes the younger generation to prefer speaking the national language, which in turn has implications for the use in Japanese itself. Error in the use of Japanese, such as incorrect word choice and grammar, also affects the usage of Japanese. The research also show that language users will be more concerned with the use of language as a means of communication, and language users will prioritize success in interacting and communication on a broader scale when compared to maintaining their local language in domains that are already commonly used in the norm of society. Saris 1012 research on the maintenance of Betawi Malay language in Kemayoran districts. Jakarta saw that Betawi Malay is still used in the realms of family and neighbors with a skill of 94%. This is supported by language attitude factor which hints loyalty to the Betawi Malay language, so it can be said that the maintenance of the Betawi Malay language in Kemayoran district style occurs. The next slide will be continued by Afelia.
Arifuddin 2019 describes the maintenance of the Malay language in our village and the factor that influence its maintenance. The result of his analysis showed that the mother tongue in the family environment must be asked to be preserved. This is because the family is the main means of conveying language. In addition, language preservation will also be easy to do if the language speaking community has loyalty to the language. The, this resource this resource is expected to be a reference for other studies related to language attitudes. Some other studies related to Malay language maintenance include research on the maintenance of Bangka Malay language. Handayani 2016, Siregar et al. 1998, Winarti 2015. In addition, there are also several studies that present language maintenance effort through education. IBDA 2017, Sophia 2013, Widianto 2018. Methodology corpus. The data as in this research is the result of observation. The data is collected through observation of the object, namely the use of Bangka Malay language in the life of the people of Bangka Belitung Island. Observation, both direct and indirect, have been carried out for 11 years, namely by mingling with the people of Bangka Island. After being collected, the data was reduced, presented, verified, and conclusions were drawn. Procedure. Observation is done by participating and mingling with the community or people who ask the language. This means that the research also lives on Bangka Island and interact directly with the people there. This aims to create a deep connectedness with the community or the natural environment of the object of research. The researcher positions himself as part of the object under study. Observation were conducted over time and covertly. Openly means that the researcher asks direct about the phenomenon being observed, while covertly means that the researcher asks other things that are not directly related to the observed phenomenon, but the aim is to confirm the phenomenon being observed. In addition to language speaker, interview were also conducted with stakeholders, including regional leaders at the provincial and described city levels. Interviews were conducted on the sidelines of meeting or meetings with local governments. In addition, interview with the Education, Arts, Culture, Arts, OUCE, community leaders, and culture experts were also conducted so that the data collection could be more valid. Written sources in the form of regional regulation and regional book were also tried to obtain data related to the research objectives. Results shift in the use of Bangka Malay language. The study found several factors that encourage the shift in the use of Bangka Malay language in Bangka Belitung Province. The factors that cause the shift of Bangka Malay language are the perception of Bangka people as native speakers who do not follow their mother tongues, Bangka Malay. The cultural assimilation of the indigenous people of Bangka with immigrant community, especially ethnic Chinese who entered the Bangka Belitung Island several centuries ago during the heyday of teen mining. Interethnic marriages between indigenous people and ethnic Chinese have resulted in the weakening of the as of the indigenous language Bangka Malay. The attitudes of the indigenous people of Bangka who are less proud of their language and are permissive towards ghosts or immigrant communities and their tendency to ask the ghost language rather than their own language when visiting of other arts, for example Palembang or Java. There are several factors that cause the shift of Bangka Malay language, such as social, economic, political, and cultural factors. Social factors include social status, gender, age, education level, positions or occupation, and one membership in a particular group. Economy factors include economic needs, such as employment needs and economic benefits from using other languages. Political factors include politic education that cause language shifts, such as compulsory education in Spain. Cultural factors include intergeneration switching, bilingualism, and communication parents. Education factors also greatly influence language shift, such as increased education, increasing other languages besides the first language. Effort to maintain the use of the Bangka Malay language. Efforts to maintain the use of Bangka Malay language have been made by the government and the community, such as 1. Strengthening the philosophy of Bangka Malay language. 2. Organizing Bangka Malay language competition. 3. Organizing Bangka Belitung arts and cultural festival. 4. Using Bangka Malay language in mass media. 5. Using Bangka Malay language in tourists. 6. Publishing books in Bangka Malay language and its studies. 7. Using Bangka Malay language in social media. 8. using Bangka Malay language in religious lecture. Discussion. The purpose of this study is to refer and discover the extent of the shift and preservation of Bangka Malay language in Bangka Belitung Provinsi, Indonesia. The research will find out the attitudes of Bangka Malay speaking people towards the mother tongues, as well as the attitudes of their mother tongues toward Indonesian in its function as a national or state language. Currently, Bangka Malay is styled as a means of communication by the people of Bangka Belitung Island. However, advances in science and technology have led to the absorption of various elements, including language, coupled with the ask of people who are starting to be reluctant to ask Bangka Malay as a means of communication. Therefore, various efforts are needed to maintain the existence of the Bangka Malay language so that it returns to its main function, namely as a communicating group identity and as the main communication tool in the realm of the family and its supporting community. Efforts that can be made to maintain the Bangka Malay language include the role of Bangka Malay language as a communication tool must be optimized. Bangka Malay language as a means of communication must be further optimized in everyday life. This can be done by promoting the art of Bangka Malay in various aspects of life, such as artists, tourists, media, and religious activities. The role of the family is expected to be the main pillar in the preservation of Bangka Malay language. The family should be considered as the main pillars in the preservation of Bangka Malay language. This can be done by strengthening Bangka Malay language education in the family environment. The role of the government must intervene in an effort to encourage parents to teach Bangka Malay in the family environment. The government must assist parents in teaching Bangka Malay in the family environment. The preservation of Bangka Malay language can be done through the process of language education from an early age so that pride in using Bangka Malay language appears early before being affected by pride in foreign language. Preservation efforts make the Bangka Malay language sustainable still as a means of daily communication and a means to preserve other cultural elements. Therefore, encouragement and efforts are needed from the Bangka Malay language community to maintain their language. Equality important is to improve the quality and quantity of studies and research of Bangka Malay. Apart from studies and research, preservation can also be done through vocabulary collection document in the form of a dictionary or encyclopedia. The result of this research can be as one of the local content learning material in school. Reference: Nodover B. 1997 Dialek Melayu Bangka, Bangka Malay dialek, penerbit Universitas Kebangsaan Malaysia Matsumoto K. and Tokumatsu, and 2022, the maintenance of Japanese as a heritage language in Mexico, evidence from Japanese reward. Thank you.